So guys, now we'll check the implementation of multiple inheritance using interfaces in Java. As per by using class we cannot do this, but using interfaces we can do this, and that is in the version of Java 1.8 version. So let's start with the code. So guys, this is the example I've created for multiple inheritance and using interface. So this is how we can create an interface in Java. First you have to use this keyword, that is interface, and then the name of the interface. So here I am using that is AA, the name of interface. And actually interface is a thing in a Java, you can say, when you have the prototype. Prototype means when you know about the things but you don't know how to do it. Okay, suppose you have a method inside here, show. You know, I need that particular method show, but at this time you don't know how to do, what to write inside the show, the implementation of show you don't know. So that implementation will be done by some class when the other class will implement that particular interface basically. So but as per now in this situation, in case of interface, we need we define only the function, we just declare the function. Actually we just declare the function methods there, like show. If I write it like that, show, and I will close this. So you can see here, it's a method but there's no body here. We just close it, it's a prototype, we are just declaring the method show. So suppose I will implement that particular AA in class, this one, in class multiple inheritance interface, then I need to implement that show. I will show you how we can do this, but first we'll look at the multiple inheritance and how we can implement multiple inheritance using interface. So that's the main properties, or we can say main concept of our interface. Whenever you only want to declare but you don't want to define, so that's in that case you need to use the interfaces. So I have an interface AA, again I have created an interface BB. I'll copy the same thing here because we are doing multiple inheritance example. So now if we implement here, in case of interface we need to write implements, not extends, right? And we need to write AA and BB. So if you save this one, there is a compilation error it is showing actually. So what does this error says? This error says it must implement show method, because Java compiler is as smart, because he find out that there are basically in conflict in show method. If suppose I'll create an instance of this particular multi inheritance interface and I'll try to run the method, so again there will be problem. So instead of to cause a runtime problem, the Java compiler will tell us at compile time there is a problem as it is showing. So what we need to do, we need to implement that method which is inside the show, which is inside the interfaces. So we'll implement it, and you can see here like that, we have this method, and now we can write anything we want here, like the implementation of the method. Okay, so here if I write show, so this way you can do it. You can now here you can see we are implementing multiple interfaces. multiple inheritance. So we'll take one more thing here. Suppose I'm creating a class CC here, and here what I'm doing, I am extending, because it's an interface, we need to extend AA and BB. So if I write here show 1, so you can see there is no issue, right? There is no issue about this particular show method, because whoever will be implement this C, suppose I'm implementing here, suppose I'm implementing this here, so whoever will be implement this show, he knows, he know to he actually at the runtime the developer needs to implement this one also. This show is actually abstract method. Every method which is inside the interface is an abstract method, so we need to implement all the methods which is inside the interfaces. So that's the condition when we use when we use the interfaces. Every method which is like, as we define, there are some more method also, like default method and static method also after Java, like in Java 1.8. But if you declare a method like this means the method is an abstract method. So every abstract method we need to, whenever we implement it, we need to define it. So that's the implementation of multiple inheritance using interfaces. See you guys.